Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. I'm your guy Ken. You know what it is. Let's get it. We're doing something, little side item. We have a real easy, we're doing pork loins, they're already made. I'm gonna still put them on the smoker, on the pellet smoker. But that's not interesting because they're already seasoned and everything. The Smithfield ones with seasoned. Cut the pack open, put them out there. That's not a video. What I am gonna do, is cheesy red potatoes with bacon, okay? And the easy way. Everybody does it. Fry up a pound of bacon. I said, a pound of bacon is $15. We're not doing that here, cooks. Not on this channel. We have this bacon, it's fully cooked. We're gonna use some, though. This is half the price. Actually, a little less than half. But it's still gonna be good, okay, cooks? Cheesy red potatoes and cheese sauce. Oh, easy, simple. You know how we do it here. We're gonna put it out in the pellet smoke. Get some smoke on it. It's gonna be delicious. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Okay, cooks, we're back. Easy work. What we're gonna do, like I said, since the meat we're cooking, the time that it's gonna cook is so short, we're gonna pre-boil these potatoes, okay? We're gonna cut them up, boil them up a little bit, soften them up a little bit, because out there for an hour, those potatoes are gonna be crunchy, okay? And we want them soft and tender, okay, folks? Easy work. Rinse your potato off, okay? We're gonna cut it, we're gonna cut it again. Now you can quarter it. What I do, I make mine, boom. Use more than that, okay, folks? Get it in your pot for the boil, okay, folks? Rinse and repeat. Bam, 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 boom. Okay, cooks, cut your potatoes up. I'm gonna boil. We'll boil them probably like 15, 20 minutes. Probably do a toothpick test, just like you're almost making potato salad, okay? You don't want it mushy, okay, cooks? But you want it to be, broken down a little bit. Take the firmness out of it, okay, cooks? Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we got our potatoes cut up, red potatoes cut up. Hit that burner, put it on medium. Like I said, I don't know what these numbers mean. It's electric. I don't know. It's not 350. I don't know what that temperature is. But 15 minutes to a half an hour. We're going to get them tendered up. We're going to put them in the tray, hit them with the cheese, hit them with a little bacon. It's going to be with a little smoke. Ooh, smoke first. Ask questions later. Stay with your man. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Hit that notification bell. Remember what we're doing here. Have fun cooking. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, for curiosity's sake, I'm doing a potato video, but this is what I'm cooking. See, the Smithfield, that is slow roasted golden rotisserie flavor. I don't know what that means. Okay, and over here we have the roasted garlic and cracked black pepper, little pork loins, okay, cooks? I can't do a video on that. They're already done, but we're going to put them on the pellet smoker, get some smoke on them, and then, like I said, this is a potato video. Now that we're making. Okay, cooks? All right, cooks, we're back. This potato game, come on, we're going in. Get it in your pan. Slide a spoon. The potatoes been resting. Now cut them up. Actually, put a little cool water in it because I don't want them to keep cooking. We want them to cook on the grill, okay? All right, because if I left it in there to let it cool down by itself, it would turn to mush. Okay, so you want some consistency in these potatoes. Hashtag consistency. Oh, I got a word. All right, cooks, those pork loins out there, they're doing well. They're doing well. Okay, cooks, we got them out here. Salt and pepper. You know the routine. Salt and pepper. Always. Okay, cooks? Garlic, salt. Always. Then we're going to hit them with the, remember the can of cheese, cooks? Can of cheese. We're going in. We're going in. Oh, my. Johnny Gill be proud. My. We're gonna get the whole thing in there. Whole thing in there. We go to the bottom, cooks. This channel, come on, y'all. We're gonna use that, y'all. Okay, cooks? Give it a toss. Give it a toss. Cheese toss. Look at this. Delicious. Delicious, cooks. Okay? Kind of toss in that cheese sauce. We're gonna get out there. It's not gonna be long, because like I said, that's why you prep these potatoes and cook them a little bit, okay? We're not trying to cook them out on the grill. We're trying to get a little smoke flavor in it. That's all we're trying to do. That is all we're trying to do, cooks. And of course, you see what I got here. You see what I got? Bootleg bacon, y'all. Take the microwave bacon. It's already cooked. Take about 6 slices, microwave them, then chop them up. Okay, that's how you get it like this. How you get it like that? I chopped it up. You chop it up, chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. Chop them up. Okay, cooks? Get that on there like that. Boom. As I say, blop the bloom. We have a little extra cheddar on the ground. I'm gonna hit it with this. A little extra. On the strength, as I say, on the strength of the game. That's good. Okay, good. A little extra. Extra is extra, which is good. Okay, use all you got. Use all you got. Another garlic. Come on, folks. We're not playing. Get that garlic flavor in there, man. Change your life. Wow. Garlic game. A little parsley for the color. Okay? For the appetizement color. Hit it with this. Watch out. Watch out. You see the green. You see the green. You see the green in the game. Okay, cooks. There we go. Get this out there on the pellet smoker. Half hour. We ready to eat. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. We got these potatoes on here. We got these 2 pork loins. I told you about them. Look at the potatoes. We're gonna get it. You thought? See, I gotta show you proof of concept. Let's get it. The loins are 150. We're going to 160, I think. I don't know. Maybe somewhere around. They're almost done. But we're gonna give it a half hour. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. We're out here. Potato game. Sides. The meat's ready. These potatoes gonna be ready today. We at 328. We're cooking and humming. We're gonna bring them inside, cooks. They look good. They look good. Look at this. They look good, cooks. Come on. We're gonna bring them inside, let it cool down, get a taste. And that's the video. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. We're back. We're at the end. These potatoes, they look delicious. Smoking hot. Am I gonna try it? Of course. Hot potato in the mouth. It might be painful. You know what I do for you, my subscribers. Come on. I gotta try. Oh, it's hot. Blow on it. I'm gonna tell you. Pretty good. That's pretty good. Come on, cooks. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, whatever that means. Hit that. Like, share with your friends on Facebook and grandma now. Your boy, I'm here. I'm cooking again.